How to redeem 100 Robux Microsoft rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 100 Robux Microsoft rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Roblox gift cards can only be redeemed in a browser at roblox.com/redeem. They cannot be redeemed in the Roblox mobile app or any other video game console. Roblox gift cards comes in two types. First, credit, real money value for buying Robux or Roblox premium memberships. You can buy credit. Next, Robux, virtual currency added to the account balance. Only available at the Roblox store on Amazon.com. Now moving forward with the redemption process, the redemption steps are pretty simple. Firstly, go to roblox.com/redeem from your browser. Log in or create an account if you do not already have an account. Now, find your PIN or code and enter it into the code box on the website. Tap on the redeem button and a success message will appear when you successfully add the credit to your account. So, this is how you can redeem 100 Robux Microsoft rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.